I'm responsible for all the stuff in sales and project management. And we are a company for engineering electronic services in hardware and software development for motor control and communication electronics for customer products or components. We have here a demo together with a i.MX 8 board from Toradex. We're using Torizon with a Slint application, and we are controlling an actuator with all the functionalities via CAN to control the thermal management application. We provide following services. We can develop a final successful product together with a Toradex solution. We integrate the Toradex system on module into carrier boards, for example, with all the interfaces a customer needs for their final products.